Pwede Friday, 8:30 ng umaga. Muna tayo ng cricket game. Kailangan doon ng suporta ng Alp Assembly Team. So, manonood tayo ngayon. Maluwag ang kalsada. Walang sasakyan. Merry Christmas! Sa inyong lahat. Alright, come on. Here you go.
If you think that's cool, listen to this.
Hey. Ayan si Toto, naghahanap kami ng cricket ground kasi masyado malaki pala to. Hindi na makita ko nasaan yung team. Masyado malawak, maraming cricket ground. 1 to 15 yata, 12.
Yeah, I mean, go inside, sir. There is a gate.
There's a bus,
Ah?
big bus.
Ah, okay. Outside. Okay.
Not here?
Okay.
Si Toto nauna. Wala ko saan yung cricket ground na yan. Desierto. Riyadh Cricket League. Riyadh Cricket League. So that's the Riyadh Cricket Lodge. Malayo pa pala. Kala ko ito na. So medyo malayo pa. Yeah. 72 balls.
Outside the gate. Go, right? Because, see, this is they are very big board. The problem is, see, it should be arrow.
No, that
one also arrow.
both RCL. That's why we
The
go.
first ground.